Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last Cookout, I know you not going to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. See you there.
Guess who else was here with us at the summit? You don't know? Tamika, aka Omega.
We are here with Tama Ro, one of the actors in Cornelius Grant's The Chance, one of the 3-in-1 movies that was premiered tonight at the summit. Tamika, a lot of people also know you as Omega in The Bartender. Now, can you let us know what would be the difference between the bartender and the character that you played tonight in The Chance?
Well, Omega is more outspoken. I don't think she would be easy to put underneath a trance.
Yeah.
You understand? Omega, before he put on the trance, I feel like Omega would have come with a counter attack.
The taxi man need to come pick you up. Yeah, them there on your way up. So now, oh yeah, rush me so.
Omega don't give any
Omega
chances.
ain't gonna take that. It's not gonna happen. This character, more, she was just working under the trance, and I cannot see Omega underneath that.
No. You're gonna leave. You're gonna go to the grocery store, get a few items, I'll return until I say so. Alright? Alright? Alright. Off you go. Here now.
I can't either.
Alright.
But you did fabulous. Can you tell us what you enjoyed the most about working in this production? What can you say is your most memorable moments?
Working with Cornelius.
Yes.
Basically, it's just the experiences overall, the experience learning, because everyone shoot different aspect of shooting a film. I learned some from him, and it make an impact in the bartender also. So, I just love Cornelius, and I'm with him all the way.
A lot of support for Cornelius tonight. Can you tell us, and the bartender fans, because I'm sure they're watching this, what is in store for Tama Ro? What can we look forward to? Is there more work to look forward to in the creative industry?
I would just
more
say
acting,
watch
more
and
excitement.
see. Watch and see, people, because I'm pushing, I'm going for it. Everywhere, anywhere there, Omega is there, Tamika is there, so I'm pushing. So you can look out for many things. You can look out for anything. Omega there on the track. Yes, man.
And we definitely will. It was a joy seeing you tonight. We definitely will look out for our Tama Ro, aka Omega. Very talented. I'm sure there's a lot more in stores for you.
A lot that I haven't shown yet.
To come. If you're a fan of Omega, just keep supporting Tama Ro, alright?
Keep supporting the
Keep
bartender.
supporting our girl.
Keep supporting the bartender. That's where it's at.
Yes.
You will see what's happening with the Omega and where Tamika goes. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
What did you get? Which one is it again?
62 years I've been in.
Apply it again? Wait, sir. For 62 years I've been waiting. No, you're not serious.
Yes.
Do this.
Yes.
Let's do this.
So we're here with Alafia. Her students just did an improvisational piece, and the topic was.
They had to say the line in the piece.
And the line was?
After 62 years.
No.
No? You're serious?
How do you think they did?
All right. I'm going to be honest. They didn't do as well as I was hoping. All right, but let me give them this. Improvisation is quite difficult.
Yeah.
They give you the topic, and you only have 10 minutes to prepare.
Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Hi, Pinky. How are you? you. You know, say to church yesterday, and mommy telling me, say, we pray for you, you know.
So these are grade 10 students preparing to go into CXC. So they have not learned the skill of improvisation.
Yeah.
I have one young man who is he's cut above the rest.
What's his name?
That's Malik Spencer.
Yeah.
Like every time we say Pinky, I like you. Pinky, come in here from now. Yeah, pray for Pinky.
He was really, he's really a cutout. He was really trying to help, but it wasn't working. But I mean, this is what they do. They fail, they learn, they do better.
Well, I know them in a very good mood now, because I see them face out there, so but I see if we can get a talk with them and just ask them, and also to encourage them, because again, as Alafia said, improv is not easy. It's not easy in no area at all. Like if you improv dance, and the same thing is just hearing the music and just give me a collection and move on that piece of music. So, JCDC Drama Festival. Inzud, just do them piece and them a wait.
One Inzud.
One Inzud. Don't worry about what went wrong. Think about where you could have done differently. Because improv in any area is difficult. Don't think it's easy. It's difficult. Established actors afraid that some established actors afraid of improv. So don't beat yourself up. The only way you can learn is if you understand what will go wrong. Yeah? So the first thing is 62 years later, you must age. So your body language will change. You're not going to be as fast as you started out. So change your walk a little bit. You could see, you get what I say? So we just talk about, we want to understand what will go wrong. Because it was not bad, but it could have been better. So just understanding, say, okay, if it's 62 years later, if the show started with you when you guys were 10, 62 years later would make you 72. So it's almost impossible for you to be pregnant, because you'll be 72, because this is 62 years later. So body language change. So your story arc was good enough, because guess what? You've been waiting on her all this time. The only issue is she shouldn't come back pregnant. It should be the same girl where I play difficult, and she not giving in, and I say, God no, 62 years later, no. There's still a time out like goat.
And the banana thing they put up on the stage. Maybe 62 years they turn farmer. They use the banana someday.
So there it's just really, the minute you go into this zone where you start moping because it go wrong, it's harder to learn. Just know, it go wrong, how we can fix it. You guys are talented, believe me when I tell you that. But improv is not easy. It's not easy. So take on time with yourself. You all I know have talent. How you played in the beginning, the skettle, love it. You manage it, and you and the friend were running, and there were points where I couldn't hear you in the beginning, so projection is something I want to learn. But don't beat up on yourself. Don't beat up on yourself, because like I said, it's not easy. I would love to be able to work with you guys and give you some pointers and give you some things so you can develop in this. The good thing is when you touch the stage and when you complete the time given, and you had an idea of of what was given, but you just never materialize it. But now you know. Once them give you something for improv, always listen carefully to what is explained and work it around that.